Welcome back. This is Dave Espino, the Info Boss, and today I'm answering the question, what is the best way to make money online from the comfort of my own home? Well, that is such a big question and such a common question that I wrote an entire book about it. It's called Monetize Yourself, How to Turn Your Experience into a $100,000 Income. And in this book, I'm going to have a link to it below the video. It's a Kindle book, so it's very inexpensive. You're going to learn 5 of the best ways, 5 of the most legitimate ways that I've analyzed, that I've done myself, and that I can prove are the best ways to make an income from home. And I'll highlight a couple of them here in this video, but I really recommend that you check the book out and get all 5 ways. So 2 of my favorite ways to make an income online from home are, one is affiliate marketing, and number 2 is online course selling. So with affiliate marketing, what you do is you promote and you recommend a quality product online. There are ways to do this so that you drive a lot of traffic to that affiliate offer. And when you do, you use a specially coded affiliate link so that when people get taken through your link to buy that product, you get credit for every sale and you get commission for every sale that you drive to that company. So the great things about an affiliate program, number 1, is if you're promoting a good, solid offer, a really good product or service, then you can go to town promoting it. You can get excited about it. You can tell people all about it. You can build an audience or an email list of people who might be interested in that topic. You can create YouTube videos. You can create blog posts. There's many different ways to promote an affiliate offer. But the beautiful thing about the affiliate business is you're not responsible for customer service. You're not responsible for creating the product, manufacturing the product, or even selling the product. Your job is simply to drive traffic to the product, and that's it. So if you already have an audience, or if you already have a blog, or if you already have a following, whether it's on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, wherever, then the affiliate business is great for you. And I'm going to include a link to my favorite affiliate program down below this video so that you can take a look at it. And you can also promote that product just like I'm doing very successfully. Now, the second and by far my favorite way to make an income from home online is creating online courses. When you create a how-to video course, that gives you huge leverage because it's like you cloned yourself teaching something to someone. Now you can sell that through an automated sales system to people all around the world 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And now you've got this kind of automated system that's selling your knowledge that's been pre-recorded, and it's an incredible way to build an income from home. The amazing thing is that it takes only a few hours to create an actual online course. And so you can create more and more courses over time. You don't even have to be an expert to create a course. You can simply interview other experts, or you can co-instruct with an expert, or you can learn and research and package up the information from experts and put it into a how-to course. Again, I highlight all 5 ways in this book, and below this video I'm going to give you my free book called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business, my favorite business that's generating a huge passive income for me from students all around the world, over 770,000 students in 183 countries. And it's just the most incredible business that you're going to want to check out. So that's a free download available to you below this video. If you like this kind of video, if you'd like to learn more about the online course business, then hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified every time, and I look forward to seeing you next time.